Hey guys, so do you want to learn how to convert your emails into actual sales in affiliate marketing sales? Well, in this video, we're going to be talking about that. I hope that you're going to enjoy it. And guys, feel free to hit that subscribe button and bell notification if you're interested in any of these kinds of videos. So let me get into it straight away. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. I want to welcome you first and foremost to the channel. On this channel, guys, we talk about tips, which is specifically learning the skill sets that can help us pave the way for our dreams to come true in affiliate marketing or anything that we're doing, but focusing definitely on the skill sets. So we're going to be talking about email marketing in this video. And one of the strategies that personally I'm using with my lead gen secrets, which is my email marketing traffic source that I use. And as an affiliate marketer, as I've always said in each and every one of my videos, there is phases to affiliate marketing. I think there's phase 1 and phase 2. And the phase 1 is definitely selling other people's products, but affiliate marketing as a whole is understanding the skill sets of traffic generation and email marketing combined together, or copywriting, I would say. It doesn't really need to be email marketing, but in generally any kind of copywriting in order for you to get those conversions. So finding the traffic, finding people to see your offer, and then converting those people into actual sales. Remember, they are people, they're not just numbers. So that being said, you need to understand the product. You need to understand maybe what problem you're solving. I personally am using a specific email marketing traffic source. One, because it solves the problem of traffic generation. Two, because it's teaching you guys the skill sets of email marketing on a daily basis. You can try, test, see, whether it works or it doesn't work for you, what email style is best for you. So all of these kind of things. And my lead gen secrets helps me do that, guys. So I'm going to share my screen in a second and give you a whole overview of what my lead gen secrets is, how you can use it. And today we're going to be specifically talking about like a little bit of an advanced strategy for my lead gen secrets members or anybody who is actually interested in getting started with my lead gen secrets. Guys, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification if you're interested in these kinds of videos. And I will also mention that there is a link in the description to my lead gen secrets in case you are interested to join. Otherwise, for me personally, I'm just documenting my journey, sharing some training with you guys. And that's the whole purpose of me making these videos on a weekly basis. Okay, so every single week, these videos are coming out and you can find them more in the description of this video. Additionally, I just want to put this out right now, and I will say it in the video as well. But if you do want to get in contact with me personally, my Facebook group is in the description. Please answer all the questions. I'm not going to let you into the Facebook group if you don't answer the questions. So please do answer the questions, because that is where I can support you the best with affiliate marketing skill sets. You get more support from me, basically. Let's go ahead and share my screen and so I can get into the training. Okay, guys, I'm on my laptop right now and I wanted to share with you the Facebook group just to give you guys a little bit of proof. Now, this is not an official Facebook group of my lead gen secrets. I also wanted to share with you that this is my group in the description of this video. So you do need to answer the questions, and you will be let into this group if you do answer the questions and if you're there for the right reasons, right? So this is where I'm supporting the people the most. This group right here is just a Facebook group created by actually one of the members of my lead gen secrets. It's not by the owner or anything like that, but it's a very interesting group to be in because there's a lot of proof that you can see right here in the first place. People that are making money using affiliate marketing, sending people to their websites, their offers, everything. People are using this to send also to YouTube videos and get real clicks and everything else. So there are multiple reasons of how you can actually use these accounts to scale up, and it depends really on your needs, right? But as I said before, it's email traffic. I just wanted to show you there is proof here, okay, of people earning. This is even my proof. The other day, last week, I made $75. But again, I'm posting these on the channel as well. But there are multiple sales that you can see from ClickBank, Warrior Plus, my lead gen secret sales itself. This person made 5 sales within 1 week, and they also got a $100 bonus. So if you want to use it as an income source, that's also possible. I personally don't. I try to give, I want to show you guys my post because I try to give a lot of information in my post that are going to help the members. So I'm sharing with them what I share on this channel, but also giving some tips in the email, in the Facebook group as well. So it's really up to you if you want to check it out. Just to give you guys a little bit of an idea. Sorry, this is not the product that I wanted to show you, but let me just go to transactions right here on Warrior Plus. And let me just put MLGS so that you can see. And basically, these are all from my lead gen secrets. I have offers in the month of April. Well, since March 13th to 11th here, it's about over $200.82 in sales. $282, sorry, and 10 cents in sales. and commissions are around 172. This is just to show you that the traffic source works. It converts. These emails are converting into actual sales, including, let me show you guys this because I just posted, this is a post that's, sorry, still pending because it has to be approved, but I got another, I woke up this morning with another sale as well. So at the time of when I'm shooting this video, but just to give you guys an idea that my Legion secrets work, I personally send people to Warrior Plus. That's just me, but you can do this. You don't need to send people to Warrior Plus offers. I personally sell people to Warrior Plus offers. You can send people to wherever you want. If you have offers on Digistore 24, if you have offers on ClickBank, if you have to your own website, you can send to your landing page and then convert things on the back end. So it's really up to you what you want to achieve from My Legion Secrets as a traffic source. Now, what is My Legion Secrets? Let's get into that. This is basically what My Legion Secrets is. In fact, you'll find a link to this video and this whole page in the description of this video in case you want to get started. Okay, and the 9-minute video will explain to you exactly how it can become an income source. As I said, I got started with My Legion Secrets specifically for these 100 leads every single day. I am getting 200 leads right now because somebody joined me. I got a referral basically in My Legion Secrets, which doubles the leads from 100 to 200. But I didn't get started with that intention. I got started with it as an email marketing traffic source, right? So it's 100 leads per day. That was my aim. It costs $30 per month, plus an additional one-time fee. So $60 your first month and then $30 after that. Okay, that's pretty much how it works. The other information is all on this page. The proof is all on this page. So I'm not going to go into it. The point here is that it's giving me 100 leads. Now, just so for you to understand, as I said, an affiliate for affiliate marketing, getting 100 leads is already solving a big problem, because as a new person who's just starting with affiliate marketing, then you ask yourself the question, how do I actually drive traffic to my affiliate link, right? How do I drive traffic to the product that I'm promoting? How do I drive traffic in general? How do I get people to see that? So getting these emails is amazing, because now you say, okay, every day I can send out an email to 100 people, and I have a group of 100 people. In a month, 3,000 people that will be able to, at least on a daily basis, see my offer or see what I have to promote as an affiliate. And maybe a percentage of that can buy. So the point of having a conversion is important, but at least this is solving first the problem of even just getting the eyeballs, getting the exposure. Secondly is to convert those emails into actual sales. Now, just to give you guys some statistics and show you, I have to log in again. So I'm back in the account. As I mentioned, let me just go to the statistics to show you guys. I'm sending to around 5,700 people as of now. So I apparently sent to 5,700 and then it's 5,700 even today. Okay, I need to check on this because just let me go ahead and see the mailing system. I want to see something. Okay, so I sent an email out yesterday really early in the morning. So most probably by the time the leads came in, it was a bit, I sent to 5,700 twice, but that's absolutely fine. And the point over here that I'm trying to show you guys is that I have now 5,900. So tomorrow's email will be 5,900 people that I'm sending to. But my whole aim is to get these open. So the amount of people to open my email first and foremost. So learning good copy in my email, getting them to open, and then getting them to click on my links. The clicks on my links are those actual people who are landing on my page, and I'm giving them a buying opportunity. Now, what I do want to say, how do you actually go and convert it? You can use the swipes that are there in the affiliate tab right here. You can see that they have emails out for you and stuff like that. But I always suggest to write your own emails. The reason why I'm saying suggest to write your own emails is specifically for one reason. Guys, our role here, or our skill set that we are learning and getting better at, is copywriting, is email marketing, right? So let me just show you an email that I sent out today. I sent this out, which is basically telling people, if you want to open the gate and the proven shortcuts to affiliate success is the subject. So it is the subject of the email, but that subject is getting an open for me. That's the whole point of the subject, to get an open. Now, once they open the email and they read the email, if you go to see, it's relating to the subject, but at the same time, it's not confusing them. So what I'm trying to say, that if you want shortcuts, then you're going to hate this email. I'm telling them negatively. I'm writing an email so that it's negative enough and trying to break the stereotypes. So the whole point of me, they're used to getting spammy emails, in my opinion. My email list also are used to getting spammy emails and so on and so forth. So I want to educate them. I want to be able to spend my time emailing right and make my own emails in order to actually share with them and say there's no shortcuts. You do have to put in the work and the effort for it, but it can be easier than anything else. I love affiliate marketing as a side hustle. So I'm trying to get them used to this so that whenever I send out an email, they're responsive to me. That's the whole point here. The copy in the email for them to click is all pointing them in a direction so that they can make a buying decision. And a buying decision can be yes, or it can be no, in the sense that they arrive to the page. And this is the whole point of an affiliate marketer. They arrive to the page and they make a buying decision, so they convert into a sale, or they say, this is not for me. And I don't get all conversions, guys. I get conversions of sometimes 2 sales per week or 3 sales per week. But the point is, if I consistently send that message out and share with them and shape the information that I'm giving, the characteristics of myself, who am I as a marketer, not being spammy, being real, being authentic. At least this is the way I am. Okay. So this is what I'm doing in my style of marketing. Everywhere, from this video to the emails, everything has this authenticity in it. So this authentic nature in my marketing exists. Because it exists, I see better conversions. That's personally for myself. For you, it might be different. You have to find your own voice. You have to find your own energy. You have to find your own way of actually writing. But if you do want a strategy, I do have a strategy on my channel. So I'll leave a link in the description to that video. It's using ChatGPT to help you out with this, but definitely add your own touch to it because you are your own person, right? And then my whole point of here is that they can click on this link in order to go actually to the video. So to the email. Now, I also added a PS link. Click here for a bonus that I'm only sharing today. So I don't put this in all of my emails, but this is kind of another method for you to get those conversions. Because sometimes people don't react to this and they react to the PS link in the description, right? So I did a PS link right here. And I added another link, but this is to a different offer, which I'm only sharing in today's email. In tomorrow's email, I'm not going to share this PS link. I'm purposely doing this so that I'm giving the limited time offer for each bonus that I add there. So it is a bonus for somebody else. It is not the same product as they can get here. It's something else. It's a maybe smaller commission for myself. It depends really what you want. It could be a YouTube video that they can watch. It can be anything as a bonus, right? So I personally am doing this in order for me to have a different product here and a different product here. And this is a bonus for today. So I don't share this quite often, but they're going to get it today. So that's what I'm sharing with them. 2 things, right? So I'm giving 2 opportunities. Creating the email so that they click on this, and then also they can click here in order for them to get a bonus if they want. So I want you to keep in mind with these 2 elements, because basically when you understand that these 2 elements mean that we are creating buying opportunities we're giving buying opportunities to the leads that we get on My Leads and Secrets. That is the whole point of this. And that's how you're going to start to get conversions, guys. Without putting your leads in a buying opportunity state, you're not going to get those conversions. That's just how it is. Okay. Now, obviously, I can't guarantee you sales. No one can guarantee you sales online. But what I can say is that if you put in the work and effort to send these emails out, and I have this for the last month, I've made, as I said, about, I think 10 sales so far in a month, a little more than that. And it's doing really well for me personally. I'm going to be using this email source for the next 3 to 4 years at least. If I need to open a new account, the reason why I say 3 to 4 years is because you can get maximum 200,000 something leads just from My Leads and Secrets, which takes about 1.5 to 2 years if you have 200 leads, or I think otherwise it'll take around 3 years or even more for the 100 leads, right? But at least I have that account. And I will be sending out emails there as often as I can. And then at the time when I've reached the end of that account, or I reach 200 leads, I can decide whether I want to open another account or not. That's really up to me. But at least for the next 3 to 4 years, I will be paying $30 per month to solve a problem and to start to generate commissions and sales in my business. So if this is something that interests you, if this video was useful for you, educational for you, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification below. And like I mentioned, all the links that you need for this video are in the description. So feel free to check them out. I'm personally not trying to promote My Leads and Secrets. This is more a training for you guys. But if you do want to join and if you do decide to use my affiliate link, obviously it is a benefit for me as an affiliate, and it is also contributing to this channel. So I do highly appreciate it if you do decide to do that. If not, that's absolutely fine as well. I just wish you the best to enjoy the process of writing those emails, creating those opportunities so that the buying decision can be made and those leads, emails are converting into sales just like I'm getting. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you on the next one.